Hey guys, welcome to Math with Karen. We are getting ready to start a whole new set of videos, and these videos are going to focus on decimals. Decimals are the same thing as fractions. They are part of a whole. So our kids have worked many years with whole numbers, and then the last little bit we've been talking about what if we didn't have a whole amount? What if we had 1/2 of a cookie? How do we represent that as a number? How is that as a value? Or the pizzas that we cut apart. If one slice of the 8, well, how do we use that as a number? So we've been working with fractions. Now we're going to bring it together as decimals as far as fourth grade goes. In this series, we are going to be talking about how to go from fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions, and we will be comparing decimals to each other. So hold on tight and we'll get started.